Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Intimina Lily Cup 1. So this is the box. This is what it looks like with all Intimina products. They all come in this white box, and this is also a collapsible cup, and it has its little compact case right there. According to them, it's the perfect starter cup. It's petite, it's comfy, and it is collapsible. So I'm going to put this cup in boiling water to sterilize it, and I will test this out today. I'm just going to read a little bit about it just so that you guys can have like an idea of what it says on the box. So it says the Lily Cup 1 is the most comfortable and easy to use cup for newbies. It's petite shape, leak proof, double rim, and easy removal loop make periods a breeze from start to finish. Made of ultra smooth medical grade silicone, you won't feel a thing while it collects your menstrual flow for up to 12 hours. This eco-friendly tampon alternative even collapses into a case the size of a lip balm for go anywhere protection. The Lily Cup 1 comes in one size and covers light to heavy flow. So that's what it says on the box, and I'd really like to know if this would be a better option than the Lily Cup Compact. If you would like to see a review of my Lily Cup Compact, Lily Cup Original, do check the link in my description. I have like 3 videos about Intimina products on there, and I'll just attach all the videos in the description below so you guys could check it out and see if those options are okay for you as well. And so yeah, I've got an unboxing video for the Lily Cup Compact and Lily Cup Original. I've got an unboxing video for them, and I've got a review video talking about my experience with those 2 cups. So if you would like to hear my review on them, do check my description box to find the links on there. And for today's video, I'm just going to boil this cup right now and pop it in to see how well it works. So today I'm going to test this out right here, right now. Well, first off, let's open it up to see what is in the box. This is it. Now, my first impressions, because I am a period cup user, trust me, I was a novice before, like a few months ago I was a novice, but now I can pretty much say I'm a period cup user and I know what I'm talking about. So first thing, I really love the texture. Like this is a thicker cup. It's thicker than the Lily Cup Compact, because the Lily Cup Compact, in as much as it is collapsible, it's not as thick as this. So I think this is like an improvement to the Lily Cup Compact. And the rim over here, this circle part, the rim right here is thicker, like it's really thick. So I feel like when you put it inside of you, it will have a very strong seal, and it would pop open and seal up very well. I really like the stem. The stem is a different design. It's kind of like it's got like a round shape to it. And of course, if you have any trouble with the stem, you could always cut it off. It's perfectly fine. But I love the texture. I wanted something thicker and more sturdier for a collapsible cup, and I feel like this is the one. This is the one. So yeah, I'm just going to wash this right now. I'm going to put it in boiling water to kill all the germs inside or sterilize it, and then I will put it in me and tell you guys what I think about this. So this is the compact case. This is compact case, and it just looks like the other one that I have. So of course you could put this in here and collapse it, and it will be nicely collapsed, I think. Let's try to collapse it like this. I've forgotten how to collapse this thing. So yeah, I think this is, because it's sturdy, it's not even collapsing the way I thought it would collapse. Yeah, so yeah, this is it, all nice and collapsed. And then close it up So this is really discreet. You can pop it in your bag. No one's going to notice what you've got in there, and it's perfect. So yeah, let me go and wash it and I'll keep you guys updated. So hey guys, I am back with my review about the Lily Cup one. So yeah, I've just replaced this one with my organic cup. So I've got the organic cup in right now, and so I just want to talk about this one real quick. First things first, I like the rim. The rim is really thick and sturdy, and when I did my usual method, the push down method, I had to put the cup right inside so that immediately I let go, it popped. So I really love the suction and the fact that it's sealed perfectly. I tried to push it up, you know, when it was inside. I tried to push it up. I noticed that this was a bit soft and it couldn't really be pushed up the way I wanted. So I had to take out the cup again and now do the push down method again and then go in deeper so that I really do not have to push the tail end up. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but trust me, with the other cup, the Lily Cup original, I can definitely just, you know, push it up without taking it out and doing it all again. But this one, I had to take it out and then, you know, hold the push down method for a longer time, just trying to push it really up inside in a comfortable position where I felt was right, and then I let it go and it popped open. Trust me, this is a really good cup for any beginner. I would recommend this cup for any beginner. This is so much of an improvement to the Lily Cup Compact. The Lily Cup Compact was just too soft, just too wonky for me, but this one is just brilliant for any starter, teenager, little girl, big girl. It's a really good cup for a starter, and I really liked it. I felt like it could hold in a lot more blood really, but the thing is, on my heaviest day I always change within 2 to 4 hours, so I wouldn't wait until 12 hours to change it, even though it stays for like up to 12 hours. But on my heaviest days, I know myself, I feel up really fast on my heaviest days. So yeah, I was changing within 2 to 4 hours. So for my heaviest day, I tried this and it was good. It did its job for me, and it's so much more of an improvement to the Lily Cup Compact. So if you are thinking which one to get, Lily Cup Compact or the Lily Cup one, I would tell you to go for the Lily Cup one. It's a really good improvement. I've had a good use of it, and yeah, I would recommend this for a starter or a beginner who is into menstrual cups. This is a good one for you to get. Another thing with a thermal cup is that sometimes you could have like tummy cramps and, you know, aches and pains because maybe the suction is just a bit too much for you to withstand. You never know. But with this sort of texture, like it's thick but it's soft. I don't know, but Intimina just has a unique texture, you know, with their things, and I really admire that about the brand. So yeah, this is a really good cup. I love the case. It comes in a lovely flat case for you to like the size of a lip balm, and it's really discreet. It's a pretty color and it's an innovative design. Most cups, you know, kind of look alike, but this one just looks different and it looks really good. I like this whole bell handle on here. It's just so pretty. So yeah, this is a really good cup for any beginner, any starter looking out for period cups. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, let me know anything and everything, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.